Hi, it's Annelie. Today I'm just going to paint a woman or an angel. I've already made my sketch, so I'm just going to use my acrylic paint marker to go over everything with this. And then I want to decoupage this at the back. So here I go. Remember, if you've watched previous videos of mine, if you use the serviette, you will need to take away a few layers to get to this. You don't want to paste this with that because this gives it a little bit of transparency and it's not so thick. So you can see this one has got 1, 2, and you must just make sure sometimes they've got 3. Sorry, I just wanted to blow on that to see if it's separated. It doesn't look like that, so I'm just going to take this off for now. And then I want to put this in the background there and there. So I'm just gonna maybe take it up to there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Modge podge and an old brush. Remember to wash your brush directly after you're finished with this. And then I'm going to put a layer of Modge podge onto here, onto my background. Just use my fingers to spread it out that it doesn't make a lot of folds. And then I'm going to dip my brush into the Modge podge again. And I'm just going to go around my figure. That's why I took that pen and did it with that pen, that I can see what is going on at the back. Now I'm just going to wait for this to dry, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to wash my brush now and leave that. I'm just putting a little bit of water there because I want to take this away now. You can wait until it's dry and then you can do it. I will take this away after it's dried. I'm going to put a little bit of crackling paste there, black, then crackling paste, and then I'm going to put gold on top of that to make a halo. You can take your crackle paste and crackle this at the back here, or otherwise if you haven't got crackle paste, you can use ordinary wood glue and just put a layer on, wait until it gets sticky, and then paint your second layer on top of that. Now you can just wait until it's almost dry, the top layer, and then you can put on your gold, and then you'll see how it starts cracking. Okay, you can see the starts cracking here and there. It's still very wet. This white that you see will dry up and the black will show. So I'm just going to set it aside for a while that it can dry, or otherwise you can start painting if you want to, but I'm going to leave it till dry and then I'll come back and I'll show you. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell, and I will see you next time. Have a lovely day.